guys, did you know a crocodile can't stick its tongue out and a kangaroo can't walk backwards? My name is Amna and today's fun facts are about Mohenjo-daro. Here are 10 things I bet you didn't know about Mohenjo-daro. Let's go! The name Mohenjo-daro actually means the city of death. Wow, what a way to start the video. No one knows the real name of the city because historians are unable to understand the language that they spoke in. I bet you didn't know that, huh? In 2016, scientists and archaeologists uncovered evidence that the Indus Valley civilization in Mohenjo-daro is the oldest civilization in the world. Wow! The people in Mohenjo-daro were very clean, as a pool with bricked walls known as the Great Bath was found along with changing areas and bath areas. Bullock carts and horses were mostly used as the mode of transport in Mohenjo-daro. The people of Mohenjo-daro loved to decorate their bodies, so they wore lots of jewelry, including bangles and necklaces. There was a lot of wealth in Mohenjo-daro, as most of their statues and sculptures were made of ivory and gold. However, the wealth was equally distributed as all of the houses had the same structures and conveniences. Evidence suggests that the people of Mohenjo-daro were interested in games. Dice and flat stones with grids have been found, suggesting that they played a similar game to chess. The way that the people of Mohenjo-daro were buried was also unique. The people would be buried in brick-lined pits with all of their prized possessions, including their jewelry and pottery. The people of Mohenjo-daro had one of the most difficult scripts in recorded history, which consisted mostly of pictographs. To this day, experts have tried to understand their script, but they have not yet been successful. How many of these facts did you know? Is there a fact you'd like to add? We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned, because I will be back with another series of fun things I bet you didn't know.
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com